this town, but you don't call it home. I'm trying awfully hard to figure out why you want to be ignored. So I got this idea that's been swimming around my brain. Maybe you're an angel or a superhero disguised as a chain. And I guess it's been a few years since I even seen your face. Trying awfully hard to figure out how I could forget your name. But just give me time, girl, I'm begging you to stay. You'll be just fine. All you needed was a change of pace. Let all your dreams run wild. Yes, let all your dreams run wild. Set yourself free. And it's 10 years gone and I still can't keep you in this home. I know that I ain't perfect and I drink too often. I'm hard to be around. So you're leaving town tonight, 'cause you just can't stand to stay. Who's to say I blame you, girl, but please consider I still might change. So just give me time, girl, I'm begging you to stay. We'll be just fine. All we needed was a change of pace. When all my troubles gone by and I pick up all the pieces of my life, I hope I find you change of pace. When all my troubles gone by and I pick up all the pieces of my life. Yes, when all my troubles gone by and I pick up all the pieces. When I pick up all the pieces. When I pick up all the pieces of my life, I hope I find you.